guys, what's up? It's Laci and I am so excited to be back doing a DIY for you guys. Numbers, and these are free printables, and then cut them out. Then you want to take a pencil and draw on the back of your numbers, and you just want to make sure that you cover the whole number, and you want to do it with all your numbers. I got a 1x6 and 6 foot long board, and I stained it with Espresso 273 from Minwax. So you just want to go in and put a little line on every inch. Then you want to go in, and for every third line, you want to make that 2 inches long. On all the other lines, you want to go in and make them 1 inch long. Then I just traced my pencil markings with a Sharpie, and I took the numbers and placed them onto the side of the wood. So for the number 1, you want to start on the second 2 inch line. You want to outline your number with your pencil, and when you lift it up, you're going to have a faint number line. Then you just want to go in with a Sharpie and color it in. And then from 2 to 6, you want to skip 3 of the 2 inch lines and mark on the 4th 2 inch line. There's 3 2 inch lines in between your 1 and your 2 and your 3, and so on. To hang it up, you can get a hardware hanging kit and affix it however you want. You can tie a ribbon on it and hang it up like that. I just took a drill bit and drilled 2 holes in the top and 2 holes in the bottom, and I went ahead and hung it up onto the wall with some drywall anchors so that it wouldn't fall off. And that's what it looks like. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's so cute. I have it in Jaylee's bedroom, which we are doing a bedroom makeover in her room. It's almost done, so be looking forward to that video. That video will probably be up at least by mid-February, if not sooner. I'm just waiting on a couple other things to get here, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. Her room is so cute. It's our favorite room in the house now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like so other people be able to see my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.